my channel. Today we are going to discuss average profit method of valuating goodwill in partnership accounts. Let us first understand the meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is good name or reputation of the business which enables the business to earn higher profits in comparison to the normal profits earned by other firms in the same trade. Goodwill is an intangible fixed asset. It is intangible because it has no physical existence. It cannot be seen or touched. Goodwill can be purchased or sold only when the business is purchased or sold in full or in part. Goodwill is recorded in the books only when some consideration in money or money's worth is paid for it. In case of partnership firm, the need for valuation of goodwill arises at the time of change in the profit sharing ratio, admission of a new partner, retirement and death of a partner, dissolution of a firm. Next, we will see different methods of valuating goodwill in partnership firm. There are three different methods of valuation of goodwill: average profit method, super profit method, capitalization method. Average profit method is again classified into simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Under the super profit methods, we have three classifications: purchase of super profit method, annuity method and capitalization method. Method of valuation of goodwill depends on the partners or the partnership deed when they have made it. Today we will see average profit method of valuating goodwill. Average profit method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated as certain years of purchase of average profits of the past few years. What is number of years of purchase? This is the average period a new business will take in order to bring it to the current state of the existing business. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years, and goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. With the profit, we have to make some adjustments. We have to add any past expenses not required in the future, and we have to subtract past revenues not likely to be earned in the future. We have to add any additional income expected in the future, and we have to subtract expenses expected to be paid in the future. Next, we will see one problem. The profits and losses of a firm for the last 4 years were as follows: 2015 15,000, 2016 17,000 rupees, 2017 there is a loss of 6,000 rupees, 2018 rupees 14,000. You are required to calculate the amount of goodwill on the basis of 5-year purchase of average profit of the last year. In this problem, they ask you to determine the goodwill on the basis of average profit method. First, write the formula to determine average profit and goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year of purchase. Into number of years of purchase. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. The profit for the last 4 years given in this problem. First, find out the total profit. Total profit is equal to 2015 15,000 rupees profit. 2016 17,000 profit. During the year 2017 there is a loss of rupees 6,000. So we have to subtract 6,000. 2018 14,000. Total profit we will get 40,000. From the total profit we have to divide number of years to arrive at the average profit. Average profit is equal to 40,000. Total number of years 4 years divided by 4, we will get rupees 10,000. Next we have to find out goodwill. Average profit into number of years purchase. What is the average profit? 10,000. Number of years of purchase, it is given in the problem 5 years of purchase. 10,000 into 5, 50,000 rupees goodwill. Next, we are going to solve one more problem under simple average profit method with adjustments. Problem: the following particulars are available in respect of a business carried on by a partnership firm. Profits earned by the business during 3 years given: 2016 30,000 rupees, 2017 29,000 rupees, 2018 32,000 rupees. Profit of 2016 include a non-recurring income of rupees 30,000. Profit of 2017 is reduced by rupees 2,000 due to stock destroyed by fire. The stock is not insured, but it is decided to insure the stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated at rupees 5,600 per annum. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profits of the last 3 years. In this problem, we need to make some adjustment to the profits. First, calculate the adjusted profits. What is the profit? Profit of 2016 30,000. 2017 29,000 and 2018 32,000. Look at the problem here. Profit of 2016 includes a non-recurring income of rupees 30,000. Non-recurring income we have to subtract from the profit because it is not likely to be earned in the future. Okay. How much? During the year 2016, non-recurring income $3,000. Okay. Next, profit of 2017 is reduced by rupees 2,000 due to stock destroyed by fire. Any expenses not required in the future we have to add with the profit. Okay. So we have to add stock destroyed by fire because it is a abnormal loss. Destroyed by fire. How much? It is 2,000 related to the year 2017. 2,000. Okay. Now subtract 30,000 minus 3,000. You will get 27,000. During the year 2017, we have to add the stock destroyed. 29,000 plus 2,000, we will get 31,000. 2018, there is no adjustment in the profit. So, adjusted profit for the 3 years. For 2016, 27,000, 2017, 31,000 and 2018, 32,000. Next, find out the average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Number of years. What is the total profit? The profit of 3 years, 27,000 plus 31,000 plus 32,000 divided by totally 3 years. We will get 90,000. 90,000 divided by 3, 30,000 is the average profit. Look at the problem. The stock is not insured, but it is designed to insure the stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated at 5,600 per annum. This information is related to future. Okay. So we have to make adjustment with the average profit. Any additional expenses expected to be paid in the future should be subtracted from the average profit. So from the average profit, we have to subtract insurance premium payable in future. Okay. How much insurance premium is? 5,600. 30,000 minus 5,600, we will get 24,400. This is the average profit after making adjustment. Average profit after making adjustment. Next, calculate goodwill. Goodwill formula: average profit into number of years of purchase. What is the average profit? 24,400. 24,400. Number of years of purchase, 2 years of purchase. Multiply 2. Goodwill is 48,800 rupees. Next method, weighted average profit method. Under this method, goodwill is calculated by multiplying the weighted average profit by a certain number of years of purchase. In this method, weights are assigned to each year's profit. Weighted profit is ascertained by multiplying the weights assigned with the respective year's profit. Weighted average profit is equal to total of weighted profits divided by total of weights. Next, we will see one problem under weighted profit method. Look at the problem. For the purpose of admitting a new partner, a firm has decided to value its goodwill at 3 years purchase of the average profits of the last 4 years using weighted average method. Profits of the past 4 years and the respective weights are as follows. Compute the value of goodwill. Here we have profit information for 4 years and the weights assigned for each year profit. We will see how to determine weighted average profit. First, write the given informations. Here we have 4 years information: 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018. What are the profits? Profit for 2015, 20,000, 2016, 22,000, 2017, 24,000, 2018, 28,000. Next column, write the weights assigned for each year profit. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have to multiply the profit with the weights, that is A column and B column. 20,000 into 1, we will get 20,000. Next, 22,000 into 4, 44,000. 24,000 into 3, 72,000. Next, 28,000 into 4, we will get 1,12,000. Now, find out the total of the weighted profits. We will get 2,48,000. Also, find out the weights. Here, we will get 10. Weighted average profit is equal to total of weighted profits. What is the total of weighted profits? 2,48,000 divided by total of weights. What is the total of weights? 10. We will get 24,800. Okay. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Weighted average profit 24,800. Number of years purchase 3 years purchase. Multiply with 3. We will get 74,400 rupees. Goodwill 74,400. I hope now you understand average profit method of valuating goodwill. Thank you.